All right, guys, I'm going to do technology separate as well. So when I went ahead and created this list for you guys to check off, you got to keep in mind, I'm not from a generation that has a ton of technology experience. I kind of put up there some suggestions, but over here, there's an other. So any kind of programming that you've been exposed to, whether you build your own apps or you do, like I put up here, complex gaming programs, and you understand how to make a computer do a certain thing with a certain program, you definitely want to list it here. But let's go over the importance of being able to identify what technology you've been exposed to. So I'm going to tell you this, any company that you go to, they're going to have their own programming. They will have a system that they use to keep track of things. And when you put technology on your resume, essentially all it says is, one, I've been exposed to technology. Two, I can figure out and use it. And three, I'm capable of learning other technology. So that is why on your resume, you are going to go ahead and put whatever computer programming or just technology that you've been exposed to. It shows them your experience in technology and the variety of technology that you've been exposed to. Obviously, all of us have been exposed to Google applications. We're using Google Hangout, we're using Google Forms and Google Classroom. So that is one that all of you guys should be able to put out there. The next one, so look at some of the classes that you're using. I know our video productions class with Mackie, you guys are using a lot of photo editing and a lot of programming there. When I say technology, that doesn't limit just to the computer aspect. Those of you using those complex cameras or any kind of recording devices, those you can list as well. Other computer programs, as I said in another video, those of you guys who are in architecture, you guys are using the CAD system. Just remember any kind of programming that you're using or any kind of technology. My sports medicine kids, I know you guys are using some of those machines in our training room. Those are things that you can put out there. It shows, again, that you know how to use technology, devices, programming. Those are the things that employers are looking for because everyone's using it in their day-to-day management. Other things that you can add in there, guys, it is not, and girls, it is not just limited to like official classwork. If you are in complex gaming and you enjoy doing PC gaming, I know there's a lot more that goes into it than what maybe the average person is aware of. So if you're using any software at all, you can put it on your resume. Our robotics team and our robotics program, guys, all those things that you're using, your employer may not understand the terminology that is listed on the resume of what kind of software you know, but what a great talking point during the interview to talk about your experience in robotics and what you have learned. So just remember, guys, when we are putting technology and you're saying, I don't have any, this is kind of a red flag that says, I need to expose myself to more things. It is not going to change you guys. Look at the situation you're in right now. I'm in teaching and I am telling you, forever, I have used my whiteboard and I've used face-to-face communication because that's what I feel most comfortable in. I've never posted my stuff online because that's not what I'm comfortable with. But I'm telling you, this pandemic, I guess, this pandemic has really changed even how education will be done in the future. So I need to expose myself to more technology opportunities. So guys, go ahead, make sure on there you list everything. This is brainstorming, so we can leave stuff off or we can add more in. But remember, as far as an attendance check, I want this in great detail. I want you to tell me everything that you use, and then we'll go from there and limit whatever we want to add to the resume.